Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're talking about the world of celebrity luxury cars, as we take a look at the top 5 most expensive cars owned by the one and only Jason Statham. Known for his roles in action-packed films, Jason Statham has a taste for speed and style, and his car collection reflects just that. Let's get started. On the number 1 is a sleek black Aston Martin DBS Superleggera. Kicking off our list is the Aston Martin DBS Superleggera. This British beauty boasts a powerful V12 engine, capable of propelling it from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.4 seconds. It's no wonder Jason Statham is a fan of this sleek and sophisticated ride. On the number 2 is a silver McLaren 720S. Next up, we have the McLaren 720S. This supercar is all about speed and performance. Equipped with a twin-turbo V8 engine producing over 700 horsepower, the 720S can reach speeds of up to 212 miles per hour. It's definitely a fitting choice for a Hollywood action star like Jason Statham. On the third number is a red Ferrari F12 Berlinetta. Coming in at number 3 is the Ferrari F12 Berlinetta. This Italian masterpiece is powered by a monstrous V12 engine, delivering exhilarating performance and breathtaking acceleration. With its stunning design and legendary Ferrari pedigree, it's no surprise that Jason Statham has one of these in his garage. On the number 4 is a black Bentley Continental GT. Our next contender is the Bentley Continental GT. This luxurious Grand Tourer combines opulent comfort with impressive performance. Featuring a lavish interior and a powerful W12 engine, the Continental GT is the epitome of luxury and sophistication, on wheels, a perfect fit for someone like Jason Statham. And on the 5th number is a blue Lamborghini Aventador SVJ. Last but certainly not least, we have the Lamborghini Aventador SVJ. This Italian supercar is the pinnacle of automotive engineering and design. With its aggressive styling and blistering performance, the Aventador SVJ is a true beast on the road, capable of turning heads and setting records wherever it goes. It's no wonder Jason Statham has one of these in his collection. And there you have it, folks, the top 5 most expensive cars owned by Jason Statham. Which one of these would you love to take for a spin? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.